Today, we are going to make the Royal Blue Deluxe Kilts with all manufacturing steps. Before starting the manufacturing, we need some basic items like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, ruler, leather straps, D-rings, and buttons. In the first step, we take a selected fabric and cut it according to the customer's length and waist size. After that, we make a plain front apron. Then we mark the pleats and pin in, then stitch across the top to secure them inside the kilt. After that, we cut the fabric to make flap pockets and sew them on both sides. Then we cut small loops and stitch them on the waist area. We also attached D-rings with these loops. In the next step, we take a pair of leather straps and stitch them on both sides for fastening the kilt. After that, we take snap buttons and attach them to leather straps and flaps of pockets.